like a Hellcat.
In 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The vehicle is underway.
So you could see on number 3, this is the Jeep Grand Cherokee and it's extremely very expensive. Overrating, poor, and you could see its price. Wait, let me lower it down. Yes. So this car's price starts from nearly to 2 crores, and for 2 crores pricing, it's not that car safe. Well, Jeep cars are excellent in off-roading as such, but overall rating of this car, the Grand Cherokee, is very poor. And this car gives extreme road presence also. This car is literally very big. So in terms of that, this car performs very well in road presence, but in safety, not that great. You could check it out. This was the side impact collision, small overlapping barrier. You could see this was undeformable, You could see. So this is on my number 3 list. So well, on number 2, this is the Jeep Renegade. The test was performed at 2019 and scored for adult safety at 3 stars. Well, this car is priced nearly to 20 lakhs, 24 lakhs. Well, it's a premium price because at that price you could get a very comfortable sedan also, like Skoda Octavia and others. So at that price point you want a very safe SUV. Well, this is an SUV and you might have not heard about this car because this car is not in India, but it is going to come in India. Well, it was postponing, but it is going to come in India in near to 2021. You could see this test was done by Euro NCAP and in it scored 3 star. But don't underestimate Jeep, because Jeep is excellently off-road car, because no one can beat a Jeep. Jeep is a symbol of off-roading, nothing else, because you could see the name only. The name is only a Jeep. So you could see how hardcore these SUVs could be to go really off-road. So for off-roading, no other car is better than Jeep. You could see this was a side impact collision. It would be nearly to 50 kilometers per hour. And this was the side pole impact at 32 kilometers per hour, and you could see the crash just gone into the whole chassis only. You could see the dummy was slammed over the side. So well, on number 1, it's again a Jeep Wrangler. This test was done at 2018 and this model is there in India at 85 lakhs, and this car scored only 1 star for adult safety. Well, please don't underestimate that Jeep cars are unsafe, because Jeep Compass, which is nearly to 18 lakhs car, was performed brilliant in crash test because it scored 5 stars. So it's just an informative video, please don't take it in other way. You could see, so in crash, this car performed 1 star. You could see, and this was the 5-door SUV. Means in India, this model is there in India nearly to 85 lakhs, as I have told it earlier. This was the front full rigid barrier test at 50 kilometers per hour, and you could see the crash was absorbed nearly. I don't know why the experts have gave it 1 star. Experts can know it, but you could see the whole I have noticed that the whole structure of this car, at the first test of it, you could see over here, at the first test over here, this car's structure was little bit unstable. You could see the car structure got little bit unstable, so that might be reason for that 1 star. So as I've told it earlier, this is another car, a Jeep Wrangler. Well, in India now this only model is there, but for another explanation that you won't take it wrong now, I have another Jeep Wrangler, the same, but a convertible one, two-door one, means convertible car and two-door one, and that was also tested from Euro NCAP. So first we will see this. You could check out. I think this test was done pretty well, the second one, and this was the side mobile barrier test at 50 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I have spotted one problem over here, that now when the car crashed, now you could see the red O's. Let me skip little bit. You could see over here the driver was safe because of the side airbag, but here for the child there was no side airbag. So that's a little bit point to worry. Well, this is the Jeep Wrangler convertible one, okay? You could see this was the side crash of it. This was the convertible model, huh? And this also performed pretty poor, because at 85 lakhs you won't expect this. Nearly 85 lakhs price point now is for those guys who are businessmen and take a car for their comfiest setting. But if you are businessman and you want to do adventures, now this car is best. But in safety for roads and highways, now I don't think so it done job for you. And this was the most brutal crash I have ever seen, because you could see this was a small overlap, huh? This was just a small overlap, but this car just flied over. You could see this is again the 5-door one convertible. You could see this car just palti kha gayi gaadi. You could see, oh, this crash was really very brutal. For such a price point we don't expect for such. But again I am saying that Jeep cars are not like those, because Jeep Compass now is literally very safe car. You could see that this car just slided over and just bashed over to that end. So yes, that's a minus point of Jeep, means Jeep Wrangler. You could see the whole tire, it's just wang over the wheel. Just the whole car was destroyed because the whole chassis was unstable. And the driver's neck, you could see over here, the dummy's neck